Hi guys, CES, Las Vegas. We're in the West Hall with Voltek. A gentleman called Rizzo is going to give us like an overview of what Voltek do. Yeah, I mean, I walked past these guys. I thought that's quite cool tech, so it's going to be quite interesting to learn about this one. Yeah, so like give us an overview of like Voltek and a little bit of information about the company and the products, if that's okay.
Okay. Yeah, so Autovoltek is a division of Procom Engineering. We're a design and engineering company, and we're developing this range of charging robots under the Autovoltek brand name.
Right.
So we started this, actually, it was quite a number of years ago. 2 years ago, we really started accelerating the development of it.
Okay.
We have a more residential type charging robot, which is quite simple, and it's easy to add to a home situation where you have an EV that needs to be automatically charged.
Right. Okay.
And now we're also developing a prototype here of a EV truck EV charging robot, much more robust. Clearly, the focus for this new machine.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So I can see. That the concept is so you said that you've got a consumer model and now you've got a more of industrial model.
Mm-hmm.
So the idea for consumer model is that you have it in the garage at home, you drive your EV in and you just press the button and then the little robot with the wheels will go around and put it on. Is that right?
Yeah, you don't even have to press a button.
Okay.
So the unit is sitting in close to where your car is going to be parked.
Okay.
The charging cable that normally plugs into the car, you plug into the robot.
Right.
It also powers the robot. And when you drive the vehicle in, the robot recognizes the vehicle, moves itself, navigates into position, finds the port, opens the door automatically, plugs itself in, charges the car, recognizes when the car is done charging, unplugs, moves the arm back, moves back to the wall.
Right. Okay. Then how does it know where it is?
It basically... The range that the robot has available to itself is about 4 feet by 4 feet, so it's pretty close.
Yeah.
And we program the software for specific cars. That'll probably be updated all the time. It'll get smarter and smarter.
Yeah.
But for now, what it will do, there's a camera in the nozzle.
Right, in the
nozzle, and so it'll find first. It recognizes the car comes in. That could be either visually or Bluetooth.
Yeah.
It recognizes the vehicle is there, and then it checks for clearance. Opens the arm that enables the camera nozzle, and then it'll hone in onto the port and plug itself in.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I get it. So I suppose the industrial version is just sort of a bigger and taller version. If it's in a lorry.
Yeah, it's a different type of plug as well.
Right.
The connectors are different that are being used, and we have on both robots kind of like the secret sauce in our robot is the fact that plugging in a big connector with a lightweight device is really hard. You really cannot do it. You will push the robot away from the vehicle.
Yeah.
And so what we do is we grab a hold of the connector,
Right.
and then we pull against it.
Right. So you got that. Yeah.
Right.
With it.
And that's really the way we have we do that in both the commercial version as well as the consumer version.
Right.
And that's a patented mechanism we have for both. So it's the kind of the secret sauce in the robot to make this all work this way.
Yeah. What you said. If you get it into the commercial world, like a big lorry park and all those things, then that's the place where it can be really, really useful. Yeah.
And it becomes much more useful once these lorries all become autonomous.
Yeah.
Because that is all happening now. A lot of these vehicles are becoming autonomous, and now there's no driver to plug the thing in.
Yeah.
So you really need a robot to plug the unit in.
For the industrial one, is it the same 4 feet square, or is it a bigger square that it's now?
Oh, it's bigger. It can actually have more range. What limits you is the cable, the cable feed.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
And so if the cable feed is low down on the ground, you don't want to be rolling over the cable.
Yeah.
So you can come up with a pattern where it prevents that from happening, or you have the cable come in from the top. If you have a feed cable with, say, a swinging arm over the work area, that'll give you a much larger working envelope.
Yeah.
And now you could have one robot feed potentially service 4 or 6 lorries.
Yeah, just sort of moves along. Next one, next one. Yeah. I'm with you. Yeah. Okay. No, I think it's a great overview. Like, I got an understanding of the tech. So, so guys, yeah, if anyone's interested, obviously, like reach out to the team to ask them some questions. And yeah, no, thank you very much for this. Thank you, Risto. Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Fantastic.